Hello, Tony here from Tecarvr. Think about your morning. How many choices did you truly make before that first cup of coffee? An invisible co-pilot was already helping you. It suggested the best route, products you might like, and even supported your doctor. This isn't the future. This is your life today with AI, already woven into everyday routines and decisions. Most people imagine robots when they hear AI, but the real impact happens quietly, in ordinary daily experiences. In this video, we'll follow a typical day to uncover the hidden AI that shapes your world. Let's start with the morning routine. Your alarm is smarter than you realize. Modern smartphones use AI to track your sleep and wake you at the right time. The moment you check the weather or open the news, AI filters the noise and shows what matters most. Many phones now include dedicated AI processors. These chips power instant translation, faster recognition, and protect your data by working locally. AI is also behind your camera. It detects whether you're capturing a face, a mountain, or food, and adjusts settings automatically. Predictive text is AI too. It learns your slang, reduces typos, and speeds up conversations. So messaging feels smooth and natural. AI extends into your home as well. Smart assistants can now handle complex commands, like turning off lights except in one room. Thermostats adapt to your daily routine to cut energy waste. Security cameras tell the difference between a courier and a stray cat. Even recipe ideas are AI-powered. Some smart displays suggest meals based on the actual contents of your fridge. AI has become the quiet manager of your home, personalizing your space and saving you time every single day. As you head out, AI takes over your journey. Navigation apps process billions of live data points to keep you moving. If your arrival time suddenly changes, that's the AI spotting traffic and rerouting you before the jam even appears. Cities are also adopting intelligent traffic systems. Smart lights communicate and adjust to real conditions instead of following outdated timers. This reduces congestion, shortens commutes, and lowers emissions, creating smoother travel across entire city networks. Cars now come standard with driver assistance powered by AI. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and emergency braking all react faster than humans. Since human error causes most accidents, these features already make roads safer and prepare the foundation for autonomous driving. Now to the shopping experience. AI is deeply embedded in retail, shaping how we shop online and in stores without us even noticing. Recommendations on Netflix, Amazon, or Spotify aren't random. AI studies your history and predicts what you're most likely to enjoy next. Chatbots powered by AI answer customer questions instantly, working around the clock, and leaving tougher issues to human agents. Fashion sites use AI to suggest sizes, comparing your profile to millions of shoppers to reduce costly product returns. Behind the scenes, AI drives demand forecasting. It analyzes sales data, holidays, and even the weather to predict what stock is needed. This means shelves are more likely to be full, waste is reduced, and the overall shopping experience runs more smoothly. AI is the unseen guardian for our healthcare. Healthcare is where AI has the deepest impact. Here, it isn't about convenience, but about accuracy and even saving lives. Algorithms trained on millions of scans can detect diseases like cancer, with accuracy equal to or beyond expert doctors. These systems don't replace physicians. They provide a powerful second opinion, spotting patterns earlier and improving treatment outcomes. More than 1,000 AI-enabled medical devices are already approved, most focused on radiology and medical imaging. AI also supports personalized medicine. By combining genetics, lifestyle, and history, it helps doctors design treatment plans unique to each patient. It reduces paperwork as well. Some systems record doctor-patient conversations and automatically generate clinical notes in real time. We may not see it directly, but AI is silently making healthcare faster, more precise, and far more personal. From your morning alarm to medical care, AI is already shaping your daily routine in countless unseen ways. It powers your phone, navigates your commute, personalizes shopping. AI makes devices smarter, cities more efficient, retail more personalized, and healthcare more accurate for every patient. It isn't replacing humans. It's enhancing our abilities and improving the systems we rely on each day. The AI journey is still in its early stages. As it grows, new possibilities will continue to unfold around us. The best thing we can do is stay curious, stay informed, and learn how to use these tools wisely. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Tecarvr and turn on notifications for more insights into the future of technology. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which use of AI in daily life surprised you the most today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start the conversation. Thanks for watching.